Hello everyone, my name is Sangeeta. Welcome to my channel Skill Streams. In this video, today I will show you how to build a web application using Antigravity AI and a ready-made template from V0 by Vercel. We are not going to start coding from scratch. Instead, we will take a ready-made template from V0 by Vercel, open it into Antigravity AI, modify the UI based on the AI prompts, and then finally converting the application into a fully fledged web application which we want to build. So this is going to be very interesting, especially for students and beginners. So let's get started. All the links for downloading the softwares, Antigravity and Vercel and Node.js will be provided in the description. Please check the description. So now I will give you the gist. As you can see on the screen, we will open V0 app for the templates. We'll download the basic template which we want. I will open that basic template into an Antigravity AI tool, and by giving the prompts, I will change this basic template into a full-fledged web application. You can open the V0 app from Google. Click here. Okay, so this is a V0 Vercel app. I will use the landing page as because we're going to develop a portfolio today. So these are the various templates which are available. You can select any template which you want. So I will select this one. Some templates have credits, so you may go with the templates which are free. So this is the template which I have selected. Now click here, open in V0. So for opening in V0, you should have a Vercel app account. So make sure you are creating an account. Yes, so it is loading. So you can see an option here, download zip. Click here, the template will start downloading. So you can check in downloads. I have this, so you can rename this. So now you're gonna extract this, zip file and save it wherever you want. So I'm gonna cut this and I will save in C drive project folders. Now you need to open Antigravity. Now what we need to do is we need to open that particular folder which we have just saved. Okay, so this was our folder, portfolio 1. Select folder, so all the files from the folder you can see over here. So as you can see, this is anti-gravity tool. Now to proceed further, we need to open the command prompt. So press Ctrl Shift and tilde. So this is, we need to select command prompt. Okay, now I need to type a command npmi for installation. Yes, if some error is coming while installing, what you can do is you can just copy paste this error in ChatGPT and check the solution. So we'll do this and check. Now you can type a command npm run dev. So as you can see, you have two links, local and network. Just copy this link and paste it in a new tab. So here it is, our landing page, the template which we have downloaded. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to convert this template which we have downloaded into a portfolio. So I have my portfolio. What I will do is I will simply copy paste the entire content and I will give this prompt to Antigravity AI. Convert the template into portfolio with the given information provided. So we need to wait till the anti-gravity is generating, thinking and giving us the result. So now we will just see, we refresh this page and see the changes. So the changes are already there. Sangeeta, see, these are my projects, research, about and contact. So simple. We just need to give a prompt to anti-gravity tool. It will do the necessary changes. So that's all for today. So today we have seen how to download the template from the V0 Vercel app, convert it into a web application. That is, we just did some basic changes for building a portfolio. In the next video, we will try to add some more functionalities and convert the UI into a working web application. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.